Alright everyone, Josh here. Today we are unboxing the GoStop Ghost equipment. So I got this stuff here from GoStop. Check them out. Link in description. It'll be an affiliate link. It helps us out. And we'll hoping to do some ghost hunting vlogs soon. There we go. I already took out anything that related to my address. So here's the first thing, which is a pin light or a laser grid. Show you more of that in a minute. What's this here? The GoStop business card. This might be the flashlight with the stuff I bought. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so this is the flashlight. Came with some batteries. I don't know how good these are, so I'll probably put my own in it. And then the last thing, which should be my EMF reader. There we go. There it is. Not bad looking. Okay, so here's the pin working. It's got different options. So yeah, that's all that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. More videos soon. Peace out.